Hey, so just another reminder that I'm your neighborhood nerd who loves computers and has been building websites since I was 16 years old, and I'm over 40 now. So if you truly need someone to help you with the technology, the creativity, the design, the copywriting, that's like the words you say, what do you say in your messaging, email marketing, social media marketing, YouTube, websites, all sorts of good stuff. Originally, my background was in radio. I did some radio for a while. I've done tons of print. I work for magazines. So I got a degree in journalism. So ultimately, if you're looking for someone to guide you, support you, and totally be your cheerleader, and also not abandon you, not ghost you, not drop you, not burn you, and really be there for you, you can count on me. Just take a look at some of my testimonials. I've worked for some of my clients for like 10 years, so